What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here in the 2017 Dodge Durango RT. This should apply to a ton of different Durango models from, I believe, 2011 and up, depending on which Uconnect system you have. If you would like your side mirrors to point downward when you put the vehicle in reverse, it basically would allow you to see a curve better, or, you know, if any reason that you want to see what's down beneath you or down, you know, near the tires. Here's what you do. If this is where you are on your radio, just go to your settings right here, arrow down to driver and safety assistance. And here's all kinds of different settings relating to driving the vehicle. Arrow down, tilt side mirrors in reverse, and just enable that. I personally don't use that function, but that's how you would do it. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you might have to set your memory, set your seat and mirror memory first while the vehicle's running. Set your seat how you want it, set your mirror how you want it, steering wheel, set all that how you want it. Then press S and then 1, and it will memorize those settings for you. If you have two drivers for a vehicle, then you can have one setting for one driver, one setting for another driver, but make sure they adjust the mirrors how they want them. Then, when you put the vehicle in reverse, the mirrors should point down while you're backing up or moving a trailer or whatever. Then when you put the vehicle in drive, the mirrors will come back up to normal, and that's all there is to it. Make sure you check out our other videos. We got more than 2,000 videos on our channel relating to driving vehicles, fixing vehicles, test driving stuff, trying out products, fixing things, stuff around the house, all kind of stuff. So check out our channel, and if our video helped you or really saved your life, make sure that you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen, and feel free to shoot a donation. No matter if it's our video or any other monetized YouTube channel, make sure you click thanks and send a donation. They really appreciate it, and definitely we would too. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.